How to remove eye bags with the help of natural remedies. Eye bags is a common health problem for many people. You look tired and aged just because of your eye bags problem. Actually, it is a sign of stress and fatigue. It is caused by many different problems such as poor diet, makeup, stress, or lack of sleep, smoking, and fatigue. Nowadays, people use mobile and computer screens excessively, which is a major cause for eye bags too. There are many creams and medical treatments available to reduce eye bags, but all these things are very expensive. Alternatively, you can treat this problem with the help of natural ingredients too. In today's video, I'll share effective natural remedies to remove bags under your eyes at home. Let's explore a few effective remedies in detail. Before starting, I request you, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification about a new video. If you are watching this video on Facebook, please follow this page for more health tips and remedies. Apply tea bags. You can use caffeinated tea bags to remove dark circles and eye bags. Steep 2 tea bags in hot water for 5 minutes and then allow them to cool. Place over the eye bags for 20 minutes. You may wish to wrap a towel over the tea bags to keep them in place. The tea works to reduce swelling and inflammation within the skin. Use cucumber slice. The cucumber helps to reduce the effect of bags due to their astringent properties. Cut the cucumber into circular slice and put them into fridge for 10 minutes. After that, take 2 slices and put them over your eyes and relax for 15 to 20 minutes. This has a hydrating effect which helps to refresh your eyes and feel less tired. Apply sliced potato. Put the potato into the fridge until it is cold. After refrigerating, slice the potato into circles. Now close your eyes and place the potato circles over the eye bags and eyes. Relax for 20 minutes to allow the potato juice to soak into the skin. The eye bags will be reduced and appear lighter in color. Baking soda paste. Prepare a paste of 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a little water. Apply this mixture over the eye bags using a cotton pad. This increases blood flow and reduces water retention in the puffy skin. Keep it on the skin for 20 minutes, then you can wash your face with normal water. Use cold spoons. Take a glass of cold water and place 4 stainless steel metal spoons in ice water for a few minutes. Hold the back of the spoon against each eye and keep switching them with the cold spoons to keep them chilled. The cold causes the puffiness to retract, leaving your eyes looking refreshed. Himalaya salt. Mix a tablespoon of pink Himalaya salt to 1 liter of water. Stir it well and apply this mild saline solution by soaking the mixture into cotton pads and apply to the eyes. This will remove water retention from the skin and reduce the eye bags. Apply vitamin E oil. Add a few drops of vitamin E oil to a bowl of cold water. Apply to the skin around the eyes using a cotton pad. This remedy is very popular as it has a longer lasting effect on keeping your eye bags at bay. These are some effective natural remedies which you can try to remove eye bags at home. You can try out some of these remedies to find out which one is effective for you. Now, bonus tips for you. If you face eye bags problem regularly, then this may indicate that your kidneys are not healthy. In order to cure this altogether, you must improve your diet along with the remedies. For more details, you can watch our other videos. I hope this information helps to reduce your eye bags problem. Now let me know, have you ever faced eye bags problem? If yes, write your answer with your age in the comment section. If you like this information, please press the thumbs up button on the video to support us and share this video with your friends and family. Stay fit and thanks for watching.